All right, so for this particular one, we need to really actually just draw it out. All right, so we have a guy named Tran here who is flying a kite. So here's my little Tran guy. And he is flying a kite. There we go. And we also are then told that we have Jim, who is standing underneath the kite directly below. So that means if we sketch this down, we've got Jim out here standing directly below the kite. And that is going to be at a 90 degree. Okay, so we just have to kind of give that vision of flying that kite. Then from there, we also kind of want to keep in mind that we have some distance here. So we know from Jim to Tran is 10 meters. And we are also told that the kite forms a 69-degree angle with the sand. So that would be this angle here between Tran and the string. Would be 69 degrees. So this over here by Jim is our 90. We want to also, it's asking us to determine how long the string is. So X is our string. So now we can look at our trig functions. One thing we want to recognize is that X is our hypotenuse. And from our degree here, this is our adjacent side. So adjacent and hypotenuse tells us that this is going to be cosine. All right, so that's the function that we're going to use. And from there, we just plug in what we know. So we have the cosine of 69 degrees is going to be equal to 10 over x. Set it up over 1, because this is a proportion, and we will cross multiply. And so when we cross multiply, we get x times the cosine of 69 degrees equal to 10. Keep in mind, we want to keep that the cosine all intact until we are done. We don't want to go and try and change it to the decimals until we are ready to actually do our calculation. So we have the cosine of 69 now being divided out. And so we have x equals 10 over the cosine of 69 degrees. And that's what you would type in the calculator to get your decimal value. And then, of course, it says round to the nearest hundredth. So be very careful on that aspect.